Hey everyone, I'm Willow Wolfe, and I am so excited to be launching my very first collection with Sizzix. Sizzix makes some of the most incredible tools in the arts and crafts industry, and I'm honored to be a part of their new collection. One of the products that I'm the most excited about being involved with is this incredible starter kit. This starter kit includes a registration press, which is a tool that helps you keep things aligned and gives you one of the most simple ways to create compositions that I've ever seen. Included with this, you also get one of my new stamps, which has beautiful butterflies and flowers that you can make endless compilations with, and a set of full-sized stencils, great for backgrounds or in mixed media going over top of other artwork. This to me is an absolutely incredible starter kit that's going to give you everything you need. Now, of course, as watercolor and oil and acrylic painters, we like to incorporate painting with everything that we create. So we use this tool in part to create gorgeous compositions that you can then watercolor paint on top of. Some of my favorite products in my combination with Sizzix are the gorgeous stencils and stamps that we've created. What's amazing about these products is that the size that they're in is great for everything from gift tags all the way to really beautiful home decor and wall art. Each one comes with a range of different pieces. So when we're looking at this is one of my favorites here, at our Magnolia stamp set, what you'll notice, and I'm going to put a little white piece of paper behind this so you can see it, you'll notice you have some beautiful large compositions here that are going to be great just on their own and by themselves. And you also have some smaller pieces and embellishments that are good for smaller works of art. And let's just show you, if you want to create an entire compilation, you can combine them all into one and create beautiful journal pages or wall art and home decor. As far as other incredible tools that we've created with Sizzix and worked on is this amazing mixed media mat. This beautiful mixed media mat is sized perfectly to be able to have it sit beside you while you're working on other things. It's not too big and it's not too small. It includes 12 wells for all of your favorite paint colors. And these little divots here are perfect for resting your brushes or tools while you're creating. The bottom portion here, as we'll show you later on, has a great amount of space for you to be able to mix color and continue your work. When it comes to using this collection, whether you're using it for paper crafts or you're using it for the arts and watercolor, you're going to want a basic set of brushes to create beautiful washes and fine detail. We recommend using a Mauve artist brushes. At Willow Wolfe, we've been designing brushes for over 30 years, and a Mauve was designed specifically for this collection to ensure you have a beautiful set of rounds that are going to give you nice fine points and gorgeous washes. In addition to that, we recommend starting with a basic set of paint. We use Winsor & Newton Cotman watercolor. Some people prefer using tube paints, like these right here, and others prefer using pan paints, like these right here. And these sets are beautiful sets with just the right amount of colors to be able to paint anything in the world. They come with 12 colors in each one, and they have a great range to be able to use throughout all your different projects.